Hello, and welcome to the Trading with Ashley channel. If you love the thought of getting a discount on your favorite stock, then this video is for you. Most of you know from watching my past lessons the power of a LEAPS call option. In a nutshell, purchasing a LEAPS allows you to triple your exposure on the price movement of a stock with the same amount of capital that it would take to buy 100 shares of the stock. But what if I told you I have a way for you to purchase that same LEAPS for half price? Yes, half price. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do this so that you too can get bargain basement prices on your favorite stock. It's trade hacks like this that allow me and my community members to outperform the S&P 500 month after month, quarter after quarter. The stock I'm going to show you how to do this with is Robinhood. Now, I was fortunate enough to load up on this stock when I first saw the potential it had. But with all of the improvements to their business model, I really want more exposure. Hence, my quest to find a way to add to my position at a great price. So what's the business case for Robinhood? Let's break it down. Robinhood is wildly popular with both young and new traders. Their new platform has significantly changed the game for Robinhood, and now they can compete with several of the more sophisticated platforms, allowing them to now attract even experienced traders to their business model. They not only allow you to trade stocks, but a variety of cryptos, and now they offer futures trading. They have the most generous margin rates around. And the best part is you don't have to negotiate with them. They simply offer you a fair rate right out of the gate. And there's one sneaky little trick they play on traders that helps line the pockets of Robinhood. Now, I've educated my trading community on this trick so they don't fall prey to it. And I'm going to show you as well. But if you hold the stock, you may not mind what they're doing so much because it will increase the stock price. But it's what's on the horizon for Robinhood that could bring them significantly more volume in the coming months. It has to do with the possibility of the Doge stimulus check that's been mentioned by both Elon and Trump recently. If this check is approved by Congress, checks could be flowing as early as this summer. When stimulus checks were put in the hands of U.S. citizens over the COVID period, over $100 billion entered the stock market. This stimulus would be larger than the COVID one, and it would be in the hands of the U.S. taxpayers, which could amplify the liquidity that gets reinvested into the market. By comparison, COVID stimulus checks totaled around $3,200, and the vast majority of those funds, they were used for household goods and living expenses. But a $5,000 check in the hands of middle-class taxpayers without the drama of COVID, that could find its way directly to the market and fast. And the broker of choice, none other than, you guessed it, Robinhood. So let's go into the computer and I will show you how to construct this trade commonly referred to as a synthetic long. Now, I promised you I would show you one thing I discovered and how it can benefit you if you know this, and how Robinhood sets themselves up for getting more money from you. So here's how it works. So let's say I'm going to go sell that cash secured put. So I do sell put on Robinhood expiring November the 21st. Well, when you queue up the ticket, you're going to see a limit price right here. Well, I'm the one that's going to be the benefactor of this. So they're pre-populating $9.50. But look, there's a range right here, $9.50 all the way up to $10.15. So possibly, based on price movement and maybe where this will get filled by the market maker, I might get up to $10.15 a share. But every time I go to sell a cash secured put, they're going to auto-populate the lowest amount. Well, most traders just go ahead and accept that. But one thing you'll notice during market hours, you can continue to adjust this up, and then you're going to see a range of little comments on here. It's going to say either anywhere low fill likelihood, high fill likelihood, or medium fill likelihood. If you continue to adjust this and go to the price that allows you a medium fill likelihood, then push it one step further and go to low fill, then you're going to know that that's the sweet spot, and you push back up to the price, the highest price that'll give you a medium fill likelihood. Now, I would show you this, but it's after market hours, so it's not going to actually populate. But this has allowed me to get significantly more premium because I don't just accept the lowest price. Because what would happen is if they fill it at $9.15, they're giving you the least possible amount, and the ask is $10.15. So what they'll probably do is fill it somewhere in between there, and they're going to keep the difference. So why shouldn't you be the one that's getting that extra money? So always put a limit order in and then adjust it up until you get to low fill, and then adjust it down one. Now, these small amounts may not seem significant enough, but if you trade several times a year, then this really does add up. And plus, why shouldn't you be the benefactor of the spread of the bid ask? Why should you always get the lowest possible amount? So make sure you pay attention to that. It takes a little bit more time, but it can pay off handsomely in the end. Before we get started constructing the trade, let's make sure it's a good time to actually dive into this stock because we want a fair price. Now, the market sold off quite a bit today, and Robinhood was not spared. It dropped almost 8% from the beginning of the day to the close of the day. So this provides a great opportunity to jump into this stock. Now, it is trading in the middle of its Bollinger Band, and it's just now under 48 on the RSI. So if the market doesn't recover, then this trade would best be taken when it's at the bottom of its Bollinger Band, which puts it at about $46. But if we see next week the market is going to recover and everything's going to head back up, then you might want to consider going ahead and entering this trade. For a call option to be a true leaps, you want to go at least a year out. However, if we do see an infusion of liquidity in the market this summer, I would be happy going out to, let's say, November. That would leave me plenty of time for this trade to work in my favor. So when I open the trade, I want to select an expiration date. Let's go ahead and go with that November date, 2025. And I am going to focus to the left side of my screen. This is where the call options are. Now, when you purchase 100 shares of a stock, you simply buy 100 shares. So at this point in time, 100 shares of Robinhood would cost us about $5,160. But the best part about a Leaps is you can actually buy Leaps for much cheaper. If you consider this $45 strike price, you would only have to pay $16.40 per share. That would be $1,640 for exposure to 100 shares of price movement on Robinhood. You could theoretically buy 3 of these for less than it would cost to buy 100 shares of the stock. Well, how much money will you get for the price movement up? Well, if you had 100 shares of the stock and it went up $1, that would be $100. But if you purchased 3 Leaps options at the $45 strike level, then this would move up $72 for every Leaps you own. So instead of $100 for every dollar movement up in the stock, you would get to enjoy, with 3 Leaps options, you would get to enjoy $216 movement up. That's more than double for the same amount of capital. But here's where the huge discount comes in. Do you see the put option right here to the left? This is the $50 strike put option, and it is paying $9.33 at this point in time. So if you had the $5,000 cash, or if you're using margin, it will require even less. But by selling this $50 put option, you will receive $933. Well, if you consider that you just paid $16.40 for this, when you subtract the $933 that you'd be receiving, that would mean that this is only costing you about $7. So I don't know about you, but $700 for exposure to the price movement of Robinhood Versus if you were to buy the stock outright and pay $5,160, that is a significant reduction in the amount of capital that it would take to put this trade on. Now, you must realize that you will be holding this cash to secure the put. However, if Robinhood continues to rise, then this $933 that you received, this will start to whittle down. And when the time is right, you will be able to buy this back for much less than you received. So you would be giving up some of the profit to release the funds so that you would be able to trade, but that could happen rather quickly if Robinhood gets moving again. Now that we have the entire ticket filled out, here's what you're looking at. You're looking at 1121 of 25. The $45 strike is the call option you're purchasing. It's buy to open. Then you're looking at the $50 put strike, sell to open, same expiration date. Now this right here is putting the midpoint at 538 debit. So instead of that 1640 that you're seeing right here, it's accounting for this credit. Now the market's not open right now while I'm showing this to you, so it may or may not feel at this level. You might have to keep adjusting this up for you to get a proper feel, but still you can see clearly from this illustration that it's a lot less than the 1640. This is an incredible way to trade, and it allows you a lot more exposure to a stock than buying the stock outright. Now, what's the potential downside to doing a trade like this? What is the risk? Well, if your thesis is incorrect and Robinhood actually does not go up over the next several months, then you would unfortunately lose the amount of money that you put into the play. And if it retreats back below your $50 strike price by the expiration date, then you would be put the shares at $50. And if it kept going, let's say down to 40, then you're going to be taking a $10 loss. Now, it would be temporary until the stock moved back up. But if it never moved back up, then that too would be a loss. I hope you found this helpful and it opens your eyes to a different way of trading, one that could save you a lot of money and make you a lot of money. Now, if you liked this video, I worked on a video with my daughters. It's very entertaining and very educational. You can watch that video right here.